Hey,
wrong with
what's
him?
wrong with that? What's wrong with
And let
that?
us know in the comments. Is that right? He can change his mind like that, sneakerheads.
Hey,
From
hey,
last week's video, he changed his mind this week. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go ahead and give us a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. Come on, man. You know likes are free.
Hey, all day, every day. If you don't, somebody will. So hey, help us get up to 100.
So in this video, we're talking about that weekly heat, baby. That weekly heat.
Yes, sir. Weekly heat, weekly heat. Hey, August the 23rd, we got those ones, those KOs, those low breed, they coming out. Right now they going for 120. They black, varsity red, and white. Those are those canvas pair right there. Hey, these right here, bro. Hey, I'm rocking these. A lot of those out there, they don't rock them because it's the canvas. But for me, hey, they never get dirty. So I'm rocking those. So those right there do get a thumbs up, my brother.
Hey, so let us know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? But for me, it's a KO, stands for knockoff.
Ooh.
I can't wear them.
Ooh.
I do like the lows. They gotta be either OG or just the regular Jordan 1 lows. So it's a drop for me.
No, I would just go say, hey, drop a comment down there below. I know I can't be the only sneakerhead out there that's rocking the KOs, the knockoffs. Hey, come on, drop a comment below and let us know if you rocking those, dropping those.
So if you don't know, it's heating up because after I announce this next shoe, you know, resale price is going crazy. On the 25th of August, this shoe was supposed to release last week, but got pushed back. These are called the Air Jordan 1 Atmosphere. I have been hearing rumors that this is supposed to be a Chris Paul collab as well, but I don't know if that's true. If you do know something about that, let me know in the comments, sneakerheads. Also, coming out on August 25th, with the men's retail price of $140. Does feature a pretty much white silhouette, predominantly upper, gray swoosh, gray on the toe box. Finishing off the back, it does have gray hits. And that midsole does have that vintage look. Let me know, sneakerheads, in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? As for me, I'm rocking those.
Hey, bro.
How about you, my brother?
Hey, you already know, bro. I'm dropping those.
Hey, last week you said you was copping them.
Hey,
You said last video said they was growing on you. That's because I said I'm gonna drop your KOs. You can't drop my shoes either.
No. It's not that, my brother. It's more on you know me. My shoes gotta go with the scheme of what I'm gonna wear, and those right there, those atmosphere gray. Nah, I'm not feeling that color. So yeah.
Sneakheads, I want y'all to go back to last week's video and watch that. My brother said, hey, I'm rocking these that they was growing on them. Now this week, he flip-flopping on me. He said he dropping them.
Hey, I'm a sneakerhead. I mean, it's just like when you go in your closet. You may pick up a pair and say, hey, I want these, man. You can do that. Hey.
Oh, you say you got to see them in hand first. I'm just saying,
hey, all
right
day,
now.
every day, all day, every day. Hey, just because of what we see could always change once you get them in hand. You know that, my
yes,
brother.
Sir.
Yeah, so so sneakerheads, let us know. Hey, am I wrong for changing my mind? Right, but right now, hey, I'm sticking.
He can't have no opinion. He can't change his mind. What's wrong with him?
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that?
And let us know in the comments. Is that right? He can change his mind like that, sneakerheads.
Hey,
from last week's video, he changed his mind this week. Come on, help me out. Let us know in the comments.
Yes, sir.
I want to hear your opinion. Are you on my side? Are you on sneakerhead side over there?
Nah, all
Which side
day,
are you on?
every day. Hey, but coming up next, hey, I know we'll be on the same page with this one. We got those fours coming out, the frozen moment. Yes, sir. Hey, these are a women pair that's going for like $225. These right here be released on the 26th, which is a Saturday. But just looking at other websites, they say they're coming out on the 23rd. So if anyone know what the true date of these releases are, hey, drop us a comment below and let us know. Because right now I'm showing two dates, showing the 26th and the 23rd. But either way, hey, drop us a comment. But these here, I am rocking those. Yes, sir. What about you, bro?
I'm on the fence about these. Nah.
I know, yeah.
Yeah, I do like the colorway. I don't know. I personally do have to see those in hand because, like, right now they look like that shiny leather, and I don't really like that shiny leather because this is a female. and they usually like to do that shiny, shimmery gloss on the leather for females. Shoe reminds me of that shimmer shoe that came out for the women's back in the day. Could be too many colors for me. Multiple colors with gray, white, and chrome. Those are like 3 different colors to me that really don't look that well together.
Yes, sir.
As far as the colorway goes, but I do have to see them in person. And so, like, I'm more of a simple person, so if there's too many colors, I usually don't like to rock them. So finally, the 26 of all pair of shoes coming out. Again, both of these shoes are a flaming fire. Like, resellers are going to be out there trying to cop all these pairs, so do your best, put in your footwork, put in all your raffles. Don't sleep on these, because resale for both of these shoes are busting over $400. Union LA, Jordan collaboration are going over $500 a pair. So definitely the resellers going to be out there. The bot's going to be out there, but we wish you the best of luck trying to get Jordan 1, to say the least. Most people do like the Union collabs. I know the last Union collab is probably going for $1,000, so maybe that has something to do with these resale prices right now. Personally, I don't really like the woven in the material that cuts across the shoe of the Jordan 1, but that's just my opinion. This is a collaboration. I see this shoe doing well because of the resale value is high. It does feature the predominantly gazelle and gray pair, and it does have vintage hits throughout. It does have that Union branding in yellow. Let me know in the comments, sneakheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? How about you, my brother?
Hey, I'm rocking those, man. I really like them. The stitching itself is what really grabbed me. I'm really digging that stitching. So these right here, I'm rocking those. So those right there, hey, we giving them a thumbs up. And if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.